Welcome back to Vijay Academy. In this video, I'll be explaining how to find the zeros of the polynomial x square plus x minus p into p plus 1. So let us apply the sum and product rule, that is by splitting the middle term. So here the sum is plus x, so let us take it as 1, and the product is minus p times p plus 1 into x square. So let us take the product as minus p into p plus 1. Now the two numbers that satisfy these two conditions are, the sum is the two numbers are minus p and p plus 1. So the two numbers are minus p and p plus 1. So the same two numbers will satisfy the product also, that is minus p into p plus 1. So on multiplying these two numbers we get minus p into p plus 1, and on adding these two numbers we get plus 1. So let us split the middle term using the two terms, that is minus px and p plus 1 times x, and write the last term as it is, that is minus p into p plus 1, and equate it to 0 to find the zeros of the polynomial. Now take the common factor from the first two terms, which is x. So x is the common factor, and divide x square by x, we get the quotient x, and divide minus px by x, we get the quotient minus p, and then the common factor from the next two terms are p plus 1. So writing p plus 1 outside the brackets, and write the quotients dividing these two terms by p plus 1, dividing p plus 1 into x by p plus 1, we get x as the quotient, and dividing the last term by p plus 1, we get the quotient minus p, which is equal to 0. So now we got a common binomial, that is x minus p, and write the quotients from both the terms, dividing both the terms by x minus p. From the first term the quotient is x, and from the second term the quotient is p plus 1, and equate each linear factor to 0. So x minus p equals to 0, therefore x equals to p, and equate one more linear factor, that is x plus p plus 1 to 0, then we get another factor x equals to minus p minus 1. So these are the two zeros of the polynomial. Children, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.